Hi there, Sonia here and welcome to my channel. I'm a balloon artist and today I'm going to share with you how I'm going to make a balloon bunny in a basket giveaway piece for my Facebook page, which is a rainbow of balloons. I'm going to go ahead to link it below in case you're interested in having a bit of a peek. Now, I thought this might be a great way to encourage some likes and shares around Easter and to remind people, hey, I'm here, I did balloons and hire me. Like, if you're smart, that's what you want to do, yeah? Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead to make this beautiful balloon bouquet of helium balloons. I'm going to have it anchored into the basket with a balloon weight to ensure those balloons aren't going to go anywhere once these gifts have been taken out. Alright, so let's get into how to do the balloon bunny in a basket. So I've prepped my props here. I've got the beautiful basket and a very cute bunny rabbit. The basket itself has come from Kmart and I believe Target is also selling it here in Australia, and this cute little bunny is courtesy of Spotlight. To go with my bunny in the basket, I've also got a weight. This is what the helium balloons are going to get attached to. I have pre-cut my 5 lengths of ribbon, and then I have the helium, or the balloons that I'm going to prepare with fly lux and fill with helium. Also here I have the balloons that are going to form part of the little nest and eggs. As you can see, I do have 2 different sizes here. You can make do. If you've got these small 5-inch rounds, they're perfect, but if you only have 11-inch rounds, you can use that as well. Alright, so first part. So I've got here my lengths of ribbon, all pre-cut to size. And they're all the same size, and I'll just adjust it as I need. So I'm going to go ahead to attach these prepared strings to my weight. So using the scissors, I'm just going to go ahead to curl my ribbon. The weight is going to be holding those balloons in there, and it's also going to be serving the duty of holding in those little eggies from the basket. So it's a really good way to weigh them down, actually attaching these balloons that are going to be the balloon eggs to the weight that is going to be concealed inside the basket. So I am going to use my legenda for this, but a hand pump will do as well. And I'm just going to set it to 0.6 and lock that in. So I'm going to make a cluster of 3 balloons. Be a little bit trickier when you're working with the 11-inch instead of just the 5-inch rounds, but you can totally make it work. I'm just threading the balloon on quite far onto the nozzle to help the bulb be the first part to expand. Oh. A little air loss there, but a little air is no problem. Now I can also secure these balloons onto my balloon weight. Just threading it through the hole of the balloon weight. I'm just going to tie a simple knot, so that's not going to go anywhere unless I want it to. So I'm aiming to have my cluster of balloons not having the nozzle showing, so it is hidden behind on that side. And I'm just going to do a quick test run with the bunny in the basket. Oh, he's so cute, isn't he? How cute does that look? Oh, so I'm quite happy with how that's sitting in there. But what I want to do is focus on being able to create the helium balloons and put them onto the string without the distraction of what's going on here. So I'll just take that out. Now I've prepared my spring coloured balloons, and it was really easy because the bag itself happens to be spring colours, so winning. Thanks Qualitex. And I'm going to be going ahead to use my Fly Lux. So with my Fly Lux, I get mine from my supplier JJ here in Australia, and I find it really great. Oop. Hello. So I never push down a full pump because I find that's too much for me. So I am going to just push down about halfway to it. Make sure not to get any Fly Lux in the nozzle. It will make tying these not fun. So I've gone ahead to prepare all 5, and now we inflate. Got all my strings ready, and I am actually going to be using my duplicator 2 to inflate the balloons today. I've got it set to 80 psi, and I am going to make the balloon size 9. Well, put 9 rather. And I am just going to make sure that the height is going to be suitable so that's nicely above the bunny rabbit's head. So I think that's starting to look really good, but I need to arrange those balloons to make sure that they are sitting at appropriate heights in relation to one another. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm feeling pretty happy with that, so I'm going to go ahead to curl those ribbons. So here we've got our 5 balloons arranged nicely behind me here. You can see it all, I'm sorry. But let's go ahead now to incorporate that in with the bunny rabbit to the basket. The star of our show is back. Hi there. Honestly, he was too cute to pass up at the shops, and quietly, just quietly, I think I want to keep him for myself. But I can't and I won't. I made this decision. So we have our star, we have our basket, we have our balloons. Let's make it all work together. That is really super cute, and I hope you agree too. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you do. So this very cute bunny rabbit in the basket is finished and is ready to start promoting my Facebook page. Well, also got a little bit of a secret. Today is one of my dearest friend's birthday, and she's known as Hyper the Clown. So if you're watching Hyper, I'm wishing you a very amazing, happy and wonderful birthday. And P.S. yes, these are the balloons I gave you tonight at your birthday party. I'm sure you'll appreciate that. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye. So far I'm really loving how it's looking, but I'm going to go ahead now to place the balloon. Sorry, my 4-year-old is making lots of noises and I am going to edit that out. The star, he is the star. Yeah. Oh, today, how to make this beautiful bunny balloon.